Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called 5S Principle. So this is a lecture series of lean manufacturing, and the topic is 5S Principle. What is 5S and what are these 5S parameter that are going to affect the working place? Like you can take it as any organization or industry or educational institution or library, so you can match this 5S principle at any place. So this the ultimate aim of this 5S principle is to make the workplace more effective and then clean. So see here, a 5S is a workplace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese terms. So these 5S principles are derived from by the Japanese, and then these are the 5S is one of the lean manufacturing tool used in the organization to increase the productivity and then the effectiveness of the organization. So it starts with the short. The first S will be short, and the second one is sit in order, the third one is sign, then standardization, and then sustain. So the list describes how to organize a workspace for efficiency and effectiveness by identifying and storing the items used and maintaining the area and an item sustaining the new order. So it starts with arrange and identify all items in the shell and then label locations for equipment, tools and materials, and third one clean up daily and then be able to visually identify any abnormalities in the organization or institution, and then utilize housekeeping audit for checklist. And then it starts with the first one. It is a short. It describes reduce the time loss looking for an item by reducing the number of unnecessary items. See, it starts with, see the first one, sorting through all items in a location and removing all unnecessary items from the location. The short means if you take any organization or industry, if you going to implement the 5S principle, and then it starts with the short means if you take the organization institution, you can remove all the unnecessary materials in the particular place or industry. So that is a short. And then it starts with reducing the reduce the chance of distraction by unnecessary items. The purpose of the to remove the unnecessary materials from the workplace is to avoid the unnecessary distraction by the unnecessary items. So that is the ultimate goal of the chart. And then it simplify the inspection. If you take the place, it occupy the huge unnecessary item, means it create the it doesn't look the pleasant environment, and then it makes the tedious process for the inspection and increase the amount of available useful spaces. And also while removing the all to replace the unnecessary materials in the working placements, you can save the space for the useful material, so you can accommodate the more number of useful items in the organization and increase safety by eliminating obstacles. And the second one is implementation. So check all items in a location and evaluate whether their presence at the location is useful or necessary. So in the first phase, it's a short. If you going to implement this principle, and first you have to analyze if these items are useful or unnecessary. So first you have to analyze, yes it is useful means you can keep it in the place, or if it is not, it doesn't means you can remove these items. And remove unnecessary items as soon as possible. Place those that cannot be removed immediately in a red tag area so that they are easy to remove later on. And then next one is keep the working floor clear of materials except for those that are in useful for production. So these is the ultimate aim for to implement the 5S principle. I have to make the place in the very useful manner. The next one is set in order. So set in once you can remove all the unnecessary material means, and then remaining material you have to make a the set of order in order to keep in the workplace. So this arrange workstation in such a way that all tooling equipment it is close proximity in an easy to reach spot and in a logical order adapted to the work performed. So you have to keep or set the order of the individual item, so you can make the specific place. So in that only the individual material has to be kept, so that it makes a simple way to keep the working place in the very good manner. And the next, arrange all necessary items so that they can be easily selected for use. Make it easy to find and pick up necessary items. So that is the ultimate aim that is behind the second is called set in order.